This week in Quick Tip Tuesday, we want to build an engine stand, and it's gonna look like this one here. We want to make it adjustable, so you have different length of motors and also different width of motors. First, we're gonna cut out two rectangle pieces, 80 millimeters in length and about 45 millimeters in the width. There's also going to be a smaller part which is about 20 millimeters in width and about 50 millimeters in length. After some cutting, we're ending up with something like this. My sheet is just 1 millimeter thick, so I'll make it double. Glue it together so to get more strength. And you should end up with something like this. Now we're gonna take some old sprue and cut out a piece that has 120 millimeters in length. We clean up the part and then we're gonna make two marks, one at 40 millimeters and one at 80 millimeters. So we have three parts there the same length. Now we heated it up and angle it. We do the same with the other side and we leave a gap open that is about 12 millimeters or half an inch. We clean up the ends a little bit and you end up with something like this. Now we sand and flatten the end a little bit and glue it on the first part. And now it should look like this. Now we cut out four strips, two 50 millimeters by 5 millimeters and two 50 millimeters by 7 millimeters. We glue two parts together, always a wider one with a smaller one, and you end up with something like this. Now we take another piece of our sprue, maybe a little bit a thicker one, and we cut it in length about 5 to 10 millimeters shorter than the triangle that we made earlier. Next, we heat up a piece of styrene and give it a U shape. This part's going to be glued on the end of our little stick here. Now we need a piece of styrene 15 millimeters by about 10 millimeters. And we glue our little stick on it. Looks like this now. After they completely dried, we take our two side pieces and glue them on the stand. Like this. Make sure that you just glue the sides on, that the middle part is still movable. So after that dried, you end with something like this. Well, and that's basically it. The front end is adjustable and the rear end is adjustable, so it should fit for different motors. Now, of course, if you like, you can give it a little paint and you end up with something like this. I hope you like it. But this was the tip of this week.